Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Clayton here at Zappos.com, and today we're checking out the ultra cool Black Panther rain boot from Favorite Characters. This awesome rain boot features the cool Black Panther graphic so you can hang out with your favorite superhero when you're jumping through the puddles. We've got the cool blue design as well to give it a pop of color, and an easy on and off with those little pull tabs at the top. It's going to be nice and waterproof on that upper to keep your feet dry. And inside we got the moisture-wicking cotton lining. It's gonna make for an easy on and off. And of course, on the bottom we've got the deeply treaded rubber outsole that's gonna give you lots of traction when you're jumping through those puddles. So your little one's gonna be saving the day with their favorite superhero on their feet. Pick it up today, it's from Favorite Characters.